go. Put the diapers on the trash. And now, here we are going. Road to Picos of Europa. Wrong. Picos de Europa.
Hi guys, my name is Andre and welcome to the channel. Today where I'm going to Spain. Where exactly? Picos de Europa. So before I reach Picos de Europa I will cross several lands like Ponferrada. We will visit also the national park of Somiedo and then we will reach Picos de Europa. I am at Chaves. This is the border, the old border. We can see that in the footage. And now we will on road to Las Medulas. Here we are, Las Medulas. Now we are walking a little bit we can't. Well, we can, but they don't allow us to come here with a motorcycle or any other vehicle. So, god damn it, I never saw so many flies. Jesus, I hate flies. Guys, this was very important, the largest gold mine from the empire of the Romans. And this is also protected by UNESCO, so yeah. And this has a unique form, red dirt, I don't know. But walking in here in motorcycle clothes, I hate flies. So guys, I stopped here in Ponferrada. I don't have much time to explore. It's a little bit late. I have to go to the place where I'm gonna stay because then the nights fall and I don't want to drive at night. It seems like a cute town with historic wars and stuff like that, but I really don't know too much. Now let's go to the next place, that is Villablino. Villablino is the place where I'm gonna stay before enter the national park of Somiedo. I'm gonna get there around 19 o'clock. So 19, 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. Set the night. Late. So let's go. I decided to stop here because I see really black clouds over there and I want to be dry and clean. We have the gear for something, don't we? Already have the jacket. Let's change the gloves also. Let's put this without falling. feel like a sausage. A really German sausage. New set of gear, let's go! So guys, this is my room for tonight. The lady from the hostel was awesome because it's down season, they have extra rooms, so they gave me a complete room with bathroom and etc. So awesome. So I'm going to stay tonight at El Cordal de la Siena. Caboalles de Abajo es el nombre de la tierra. So now I'm gonna take a bath, I'm gonna rest a little bit and then have some dinner, and tomorrow it will be a new day.